How to change your name in Tinder. Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you other interesting smartphone tricks. Subscribe to my channel for more apps knowledge. So, how to change your Tinder name? We will create the app. We open Tinder. Here we click on our profile at the top left. Here at our profile picture. And now the pen at the bottom right. Here you can change a lot of information like job title, company, and about me. In the future you probably can change your name here, but for now there isn't that option. So to change your name, what you need to do is to delete your account. So how to delete your account? We close that too. We click at settings and here at the very bottom there is delete account, and now you can delete your account, skip this part and delete my account. Now just create a new one.